We were recently gifted two 18-volt ONE+ compatible batteries to work with our Ryobi tools. In this video, we'll test and compare them with genuine Ryobi batteries. Inside the box is the two 5Ah lithium-ion batteries. According to the product listing, they're compatible with all Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt tools. Our first impression is that they look and feel like Ryobi batteries. My dad first tested if it worked with the outdoor camping light. Although there was a slight gap, it's secure and works perfectly. Next, the Bluetooth radio speaker. Again, it fits and powers up with no problem.
And next to no substitutes. Shop online or in the app.
The Ryobi drill works smoothly as well, but there's still that small gap. The workshop blower works fine as well. The lock mechanism still secures even with the small gap. Here's the compatible battery next to the genuine Ryobi one for a visual comparison. Size-wise, they're almost identical. My dad did a quick weight test, and the compatible battery is 658 grams, whilst the original is 719 grams. When we shook the compatible battery, there was a slight rattle because the button was plastic. The Ryobi one didn't have this issue because the button has rubber. Next, we'll be doing a performance test, starting with the drill. We also tested the workshop blower. For our final test, we'll be powering Ryobi's portable cooler. We put 6 water bottles into the cooler and placed in both batteries. The water started at around 20 degrees Celsius, and one battery was 4/5 charged and the other was fully charged. We dropped the cooler to its lowest temperature at -20 degrees, then left the water to rest at -4 degrees starting from 4:35 p.m. After 5 hours, one battery had 1/5 left and the other was fully drained. The water temperature had dropped to 1.4 degrees Celsius. It was an impressive amount of power for over several hours. Our current Ryobi charger was able to recognize and charge the battery as the light switched from red to green. We plugged the empty battery in at 9:30 p.m. and by midnight it was full.